እንኳን ደስ ያላችሁ። ይሄ ለሀገራችን ለኢትዮጵያ ለከተማችን አዲስ አበባ በታሪካችን የመጀመሪያው ነውና በድጋሚ እንኳን ደስ ያለን፣ እንኳን ደስ ያላችሁ።
Let's see what a roll. The time is 7-1. There's one left to go.
Today was a miracle. Today we saw a full stadium, we saw world-class athletics, we saw Gabby Thomas run the fastest time in the world for 200 metres. We saw the first ever sub-10 second 100 metres in Ethiopia. We saw lots of smiling faces, we saw lots of smiling athletes, and the future is very bright. On the back of today, Addis Ababa will join New York and Los Angeles and Tokyo and Beijing and Melbourne as the World Athletics Continental Tour Gold Series from 2027, and you deserve it. Today was a great success for everybody.
My name is Robert Wagner. I'm organizing athletic events since 1988. Real pleasure. It was fantastic. I think I'm doing this for 38 years, but I've never seen something like this in my life. Really, really, really spectacular, spectacular.
I am Babajide Odedeji, the safeguarding officer of Athletic Federation of Nigeria. This is a new era. I am excited about what the government of Ethiopia is now doing. They are now going back to the Ethiopia we used to know that dominates the athletic scene. They are now bringing out that capacity they have had over the time. They are reincarnating it back into the system.
I think the competition went great. Everything was really organized, so it was easy to be able to kind of navigate everything and make it through the warm-up area to the competition, so I do appreciate all of that. Special thank you to all the volunteers. You guys did a great job. But it was a really good job hosting for the first time. Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, do you see the water? It's great. So just thank you so much. It's a beautiful country. I mean, I think it's a big deal. Africa needs a lot more competitions of this caliber. I feel like a lot of the African athletes have to travel to Europe or overseas to the US to get these competitions. So to be able to do it here on our continent is really a great honor, and it's exciting for the future of African athletics.
My name is Maya Elise McCoy, and I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, United States. It's great. It's a nice facility. The stadium was nice and big. The crowd was very energetic and hyped, so it was very fun to be in front of the crowd.
Ethiopia has hosted this for the first time, and it was very good. So I'm looking forward to having more and more like this. I've had a great time the last 2 days. Hospitality has been very good, 100%. This is awesome, man. We've just been talking about it, and we're like, Ethiopia is beautiful, so I've really enjoyed it.